Okay guys, someone asked me about Boom 600 and how they can trade it, and of course I've decided to create a content on it today so that we will be well educated on how it works and how we can trade this particular asset and make so much profit from there. It's so easy to trade. You're going to love this particular asset right here in this video. Some of us don't even know that we have an asset called Boom 600, and of course let's check it out together right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, kindly kindly drop your question within the comment section. I will be there to reply. Okay, just like you guys have known, okay, Boom assets is a unique asset that most people love trading. Okay, so and of course this is also working in the same way. Okay, it takes a certain direction for a very long time with a sudden movement the other direction. Okay, then it is also a trend trading asset. If you should notice, this particular asset, which is called Boom 600, picks up from here, from this support zone right here is a support zone. So once you start seeing a region that is once you start seeing candles playing within region like this, then you should know that something is happening around there. It is either it breaks down out below it, or it changes the direction of the asset, and at this point it changed the direction into an uptrend, and immediately it takes that direction, then you should know that it's going to buy for long. Firstly, you need to consider this part of it. You can see here is a resistance zone, so you can take your first TP around there, and immediately it breaks out above it, then you should know that it will move up to the next resistance zone, which is why it's got to this region. Okay, so you can see that, and of course right here is a resistance zone, so we expect it to sell. Okay, I'm on 1 hour time frame just for you to see how beautiful this is. Okay, you expect this to sell, and of course it sold for a while, but you can see here was a resistance zone. Immediately it broke out from there, it will turn out to be a support zone. Okay, so that is why it was unable to break out from there. So I expect you to take your TP even before it gets to this region. So at that spot it had a pullback, came down again and formed a W, but it didn't go too far because of the major resistance zone that is here. Okay, so and here could be another spot for you to come in and buy till it gets to this region. Okay, so right from there it started a downtrend again. Do you know why? This has actually formed an M. You can see this. It has formed a M rather. You can see this. Okay, and of course it broke out below this particular support zone to get to this particular support zone. So you can pick up your trade right from this spot, and put your TP on this particular support zone. Okay, so you trade from here till here, and if it breaks out from here, then you come in again and trade till you get to this particular spot. This is very easy to do. You can see this is why some of us trade easily without any hiccups, and it will look like we are performing magic. I know some of these things might sound or might look difficult for you, and that is why if you are not familiar with trend trading or the support and resistance region, or probably the breakout strategy, then you might be finding it very difficult to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. And that is why we have some indicators that can help you to achieve some of these things easily. So you can also use some of the custom made indicator for this particular asset. You can see everything that I have been explaining manually. You can see the way it has been highlighted. This used to be the support zone, and of course it was unable to break out from here, so it gave us an uptrend signal. Check it out, it's bought till it got to this region. Had a pullback, went back up, so all these are still on uptrend region because it has not been able to break out below this support zone. Okay, so right from here it started a downtrend, and that is why you are seeing the red flag and the red arrow telling us it is a sell signal. And check it out, it sold till these very spots. You can imagine coming in right from here. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see how beautiful it is coming in right from here and being in the market till the very end of the trend. That's so amazing. That's so amazing. This is going to take days before it will come to an end. Okay, so that is how beautiful some of these trading tools are. Okay, so you can still use this same trading tool for this particular assets. Okay, so for those of you that are having the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, then you can go ahead and use it on your Boom 600. It helps you to analyze better and also take the right decision or a better decision whenever you are trading. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.